On April 12, OPPO will be announcing the OPPO F21 Pro and F21 Pro 5G smartphones in India. OPPO F21 Pro specifications removed. The OPPO F21 Pro 4G will come with a 6.43-inch AMOLED display that offers a full HD plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. It will come with a 32-megapixel Sony IMX709 front camera and a 64-megapixel main plus 2-megapixel depth plus 2-megapixel micro-lens triple camera unit. OPPO F21 Pro. The F21 Pro will run on Android 12 OS and ColorOS 12.1 UI. The Snapdragon 680 powered handset will come with a 4500 mAh battery that supports 33-watt fast charging. The device will measure 159.9 by 73.2 by 7.49, 7.54 mm and weigh 175 grams. It will come in colors like Cosmic Black and Sunset Orange. The latter could be equipped with a fiberglass leather design. OPPO F21 Pro 5G specifications. The OPPO F21 Pro 5G will come with a 6.43-inch AMOLED FHD Plus display with a 60Hz refresh rate. It will feature a 16-megapixel front camera and a 64-megapixel main plus 2-megapixel depth plus 2-megapixel macro triple camera unit. The F21 Pro 5G will also boot to the Android 12 OS with ColorOS 12.1 on top. The Snapdragon 695 powered smartphone will house a 4500 mAh battery with 33-watt charging support. The device will measure 159.85 by 73.17 by 7.49, 7.55 mm and weigh 173 grams. It will sport an OPPO Glow design and come in rainbow spectrum and cosmic black colors. OPPO F21 Pro 5G price in India. According to tipster Abhishek Yadav, the OPPO F21 Pro 4G will have a MOP market operating price of 22,000 rupees, $292. On the other hand, the F21 Pro 5G will have a MOP of 26,000 rupees, $343.